We already went over how to make the hanging tile, which is your first and easiest option. Next, I'm going to show you how to make the plate version with the raised sides that are beveled, and then the card holder version, where there's a small box that can hold small objects. For the plate, you'll cut out what I have highlighted in green, and for the card holder, you'll cut out what I have highlighted in blue. For the plate, you'll want to go ahead and cut out your tile, just like we did for the hanging plate, but you'll want to have some leftovers to make your trapezoid sides. Again, you want to check the thickness of the clay to make sure it's between 1 and 2 pencils thick. And cutting out your template makes everything a lot easier. Don't forget, if the clay is too wet, this can rip the paper. If I try and attach my sides right now, you'll be trying to attach a flat side to an angle, and that does not work. So what we're going to do is we're going to bevel the edges of our sides. And what bevel means is to cut at an angle. So instead of cutting straight down like I did to cut them out, I'm going to cut at a 45-degree angle. This can be kind of hard for beginners, so you want to take your time with it. But I should go from having a 90-degree angle to about a 45-degree angle. Along with beveling the sides that touch the tile, you'll also want to bevel where the two parts join. So instead of having them join like this, where it's a point meeting a point, they'll join like this with a flat side touching a flat side. Now you'll want to scratch and split all of your sides. To reinforce your edges, you'll want to add some fresh clay. And smooth it out. Next, you'll want to check the back. You could fill it in with clay, but often it just needs some self-pressure. Don't forget to put your signature on the back. All right, and the tile version is complete. For this card holder version, you'll need to cut out this part of the template. And again, you'll have your base of your tile, and with the leftovers, you want to check to make sure it's between 1 and 2 pencils thick. Take your template and trace it out. So this is how it will be attached, but we want to make sure we scratch and slip. Kind of like what I did with the plate, I could put some fresh clay on the inside to help reinforce the sides. It's preferable to let this dry standing up, maybe leaning against something else to make sure the tile stands straight.